Welcome. In this video, we're going to work on evaluating functions. So this here is function notation. This is read as f of x equals 2x plus 3. This one is read g of x equals 12 divided by x. So let's look at part A. F of 4. This means everywhere we see an x, so that would be here. Notice I left that x out. Everywhere we see an x, replace that with a 4. So this becomes 8 plus 3, which is just 11. This tells me that f of 4 equals 11. So for part B, g of 4 becomes 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So g of 4 equals 3. Let's try the second part A, which I'm guessing is supposed to be part C. So let's try part C and part D. Part C, g of negative 6 is equal to 12 divided by negative 6 equals negative 2. So g of negative 6 equals negative 2. Part D, f of negative 3 equals 2 times negative 3 plus 3. So that's negative 6 plus 3, which is just negative 3. So f of negative 3 equals negative 3.